Good this year, I am Janaxil Simbasandre, and I will discussing about sailing directions. Sailing direction. Sailing direction are essential technical publications that provide comprehensive information to support navigation, particularly during coastal passages and port approaches. They complement nautical charts by offering detailed description of coastal features, navigational hazards, port facilities, and local regulations. These are the significance of this publication in relation to navigation port approaches. Enhanced situational awareness. Enhanced situational awareness, sailing directions offers mariners detailed information about coastal geography, including description of landmarks, water depths, tidal patterns, and prevailing currents. This information aids in identifying positions and making informed navigational decisions. Ang enhanced situational awareness, di na natin mabuuan ang unsay kahimtang sa dagat or posisyon sa barko. Number 2, port entry guidance. These publications provide specifics on port approaches, including recommended routes, anchorage areas, pilotage requirements, and available services. Such details are crucial for planning safe and efficient port entries and departures. So, from the word port entry guidance or giya sa pagsulod sa pantalan, sulod sa usa ka pantalan nga luwas ug kapsay ug asa moagi ang barko padulong sa pantalan. Number 3, supplemental charts. While nautical charts depict the physical layout of coastlines and sea areas, sailing directions offer narrative descriptions that explain the significance of charted features, potential hazards, and local maritime practices. So, ang supplemental charts, kuntahay ang mapa nagpakita og bato, pero ang supplement galagway kung unsa kini kataas or unsaon kini malikayan. Nasab kini kasayuran sa klima. Sulog, balod og mga lokal nga balaod. Number 4, regulatory compliance. For vessels operating under the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS, carrying up-to-date sailing directions is often a requirement, ensuring the ships have access to current navigation. So, ang compliance regulatory, mao kini ang pagsunod sa mga balaod sa gobyerno or gimando sa laing lugar like international na unsa maluwas sa pag-operate sa barko. Kinahanglan ang barko adunay kumpleto nga dokumento sama sa sailing directions, charts, ug logbook. Kinahanglan matuman ang SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea.